Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is ZEE Beauty and Hemorrhages. Today I'm going to show you this wonderful homemade remedy to remove your suntan. As we are going out, we can't avoid this harmful UV rays. Because of that, we are getting tan. But we have this beautiful remedy to remove your suntan. You can get this benefit to your deep layer of your skin. So please try this out. Okay, let's get into the video. Thanks for watching guys. Hope this video is really helpful. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you on next video. Until take care. Bye.